I just added an SSH key for GitHub on my production server. I'm going to go through the things that I can remember that I did in order to do this. Okay, this is a terminal going into my production server. I'm going to go to the home directory, or let me try this one first. Okay, all right, I'm in the right place. Let's list what's in here. GitHub_Sam. That is the private key which was generated. The public key is github_sam.pub. The contents of the public key were submitted to GitHub using their web form. The web form, let me show it to you. The way that you submit a public key, you click on your picture, not the arrow next to the picture. And then you go to settings. Then you go to SSH and GPG. Then you click new SSH key. Okay, the name I entered here was this. And then I pasted the contents of the public key. What I was doing wrong before was that when I would go to cut and paste the contents of the key, I was using Nano, the editor. When I used cat instead, like this function here, cat, and then the key, and I cut and paste it, then it worked. Otherwise, it kept just telling me that the format of the file is incorrect or something like that, okay? So that's one thing that I did. The other thing is, okay, let me see if it will return all the commands I had entered. All right, this is the command that generated the key. This is the command to find out if the agent for registering the key was available. This is the actual command for registering the key with SSH. And this is the cat command that I used to display the public key on the screen so I can copy it and paste it into GitHub's form for submitting my public key. There is one thing which I forgot to mention. Okay, first let me go to the project folder on the production server. Okay, we're there. All right, you see in the listing the .git directory. Okay, let's go in there. All right, let's look at the config. I'll do cat config. Okay, this is what I changed for remote origin. I changed this. Okay, actually, this is what I put in, and what I took out was the URL for HTTPS. So now when I do a git pull, it forces Git to use SSH instead of HTTPS. And then since I took care of the SSH keys, that pretty much was all that was needed for me to be able to do a git pull without having to enter a username and password. That's it for the video.